Hi, I'm Anuja Agarwal. I'm an artist from Jaipur. I'm here in Hyderabad for 3 days for India Art Festival. I paint in a very fluid style and I like to do florals in my style. So my work is all about freedom and how I play with colors in different ways, and then I bring out the elements of nature in my work. Loose floral paintings that I've done on wooden plates, and there is gold leaf work on top of that, and then I have done some acrylic loose floral paintings on top of these. I like to paint flowers that are not real flowers. So these are like my imaginary flowers. They are not found in nature. They're just whatever I felt like painting. Now this painting is done on paper with inks as well as acrylic. This is all the flowers are ink work, and all the background is acrylic paint, and it is framed in a circular wooden frame. And this is one of my most popular styles. I call these floating flowers kind of frames. So this one and two more are there in the same series. The next are these paintings done in the similar style with alcohol ink work and acrylic background, and I have tried to do it in a unique shape, vibrant and buoyant colors that make people feel happy. This is another one of my painting which is called the Secret Garden. It is like a lot of flowers are there at the entrance and there's a glow through which people can enter into the painting. It is done with alcohol inks on paper. So this is my another painting. It's called Floating Flowers. I call this one Dreamy. I have painted blue flowers in this along with a circular background. It is a floating frame with a transparent background. So when we put it on a colored wall, the flowers look even more vibrant. In this, I first played with all the colors, and then I thought that I will paint these kind of flowers hanging from the top. So my process is actually, I just play with colors. I do not think what am I going to paint first. I just play with the colors, and then I decide what is going to come out of those play of colors. This is my latest and one of my favorite paintings. It's called The Tree of Joy, because what's life without a little bit of joy? It has a lot of vibrant colors and a lot of minute detailing around the tree, which represents happiness, growth, and very vibrant colors are used to, all my paintings, if you notice, have a lot of joy, elements of joy in it. So nature brings us that kind of joy, and that is what I try to depict. This is actually a set of 3 paintings which are on a similar theme, done in a similar style, but with different color combinations. I use slightly muted but yet vibrant colors that evoke a feeling of joy and happiness in the people who are viewing my work. I want to talk about a little bit about this painting. This is also from my floating flower series. It is again in a floating frame. Yellow color evokes a feeling of joy and happiness among people. It's kind of like a divine color and color of spirituality. That is why I really like this one. This is my latest work, set of 9 paintings done in exactly the same style. First I played with the colors and then I took out the elements. So the painting part that I've done is actually the spaces in between, and that is why this set of 9 is called the space in between. And I have used elements, try to bring out elements that are some of my favorites, like the maple tree, the cherry blossom, roses, the monstera, roses again, and these are all pictures taken from my garden, and those are the ones that not only my garden but through my travel and my garden, and that is what I have tried to bring out in these paintings. In this painting, when I was playing with the colors that I do, I kind of felt a divine presence in the colors, and that is why I try to pull out that presence, and I call this painting enlightened. And that you know, that image of Buddha or Mahavir ji that came out in my mind when I was looking at the colors that I had worked with, and I tried to you know, merge the divine presence along with the background and a lot of minute detailing in the background to make this image pop and be more vibrant and in the front of people. I call it conversations because I feel like all the natural elements are kind of talking to each other. They are connected. They are, you know, helping each other, enjoying the company of all the flowers are enjoying the company of leaves, even though they are all very different. They are together and as one, they make us all very happy. I'm available on Instagram and I also have a website. My Instagram is Anuja Agarwal. So please do visit my page and follow it. And my website is called peaceofmyart.in. And all my paintings are available for viewing and purchasing on my website also. Please do visit the festival and enjoy looking at all the amazing artworks here. Thank you.